Hello everyone, welcome to ITLabBD YouTube channel. Now I want to show how we can install OpenCart in host. First I need to go in OpenCart website. You can see I go already OpenCart website, opencart.com. Then download or free download section. Download now. If you click in download now, then download this type of zip files. After get these zip files, I have moved in here and extract to this folder. Here you can see installation zip file. After extract, I have file all folders. You can just keep upload folders files, others you can remove now. And if you set any folder rename or etc, I have renamed this folder and all files move in root folders. Now I going to install this OpenCart 3. Dev localhost. I have trying to install in my host. It's same on your server or Wamp. I have keep these files in this OC folder. Going to install. This is my URLs. You can see this root URL and this folder. After click, it's go to installation section. It's the first installation page. First I click continue. Here you can see all status, your section, your PHP version and others all option. First we need two files update. Here you can see it's missing, so we record to rename this folder. We again go to this folder and here you can see config.dist. You can rename this file just config.php, and also admin section remove dist and just config.php. Now check again, reload, and now you can see writable. You can start now installation and continue. In this section we require to set database information. This is local host, then we need to host information. Some server also have another hosting information, then you need to change here to this local host. We default username root and password blank. In hosting server required to your database username and password, then the database name. I try to create and database go to localhost and phpMyAdmin and create a database name OC demo. Database already created here. I have add database name here, and again let you username and password. I have installed in local server, so we keep this our username root and password is blank. But when you try to install in server, then you must require to add user and password here. Here you can update table prefix default OC, but if you want the keep or change something as your requirement, I have changed this IT ITLabBD. Okay, here you can see administrator login information. This is the admin. You can change what you require. I have changed ITLabBD and password admin password ITLabBD. Here you require to the email ITLabBD info@itlabBD.com. Then continue. Now here you can see installation completed. Need to remove installation directory in this installation folder. Now this is, you can see in this folder installation, just remove this folder, installation folder. Okay, you can see now this is root URL. It's installation successfully, and I try to logging admin URL, and here ITLabBD username and password also same. I have added ITLabBD. In this section you can see, I have logging is admin. Then you can see here the asking only a storage section move in another folder. It's the system using for update OpenCart version in 3.3. If you move, then a storage folder also keep in another folder. Here you can see directory. It's same when you install in server, and same options you can see, and move in another folder. I have select move, and it's automatically move. Okay, now close, and you can see PrestaShop, OpenCart admin section and front end. Here you can see all options. I'll say I will create and more videos with OpenCart. Hope it will be help you how you able to create custom module, manage admin, custom theme, and all of them I will create all videos. Thank you for everything.